Hi, in today's video, we're going to go over how to sign up for your free 7-day trial of GoFullPage's premium plan. So if you go to GoFullPage.com and you go over to Go Premium, you can click on this part where it says Get Started Free 1-Week Trial. You may also see a prompt to upgrade to a premium plan if you have taken a screenshot and you go to edit and you try to add different shapes or change this formatting and you see this prompt to sign up to export, you can click here to say start your free trial. Either way, you'll be able to go through this checkout process. Now, whichever process you go through, just make sure that you understand that whichever method you choose here, whether to continue with Google, with Facebook, with email and password, that's how you'll log into your account and all future logins. Don't worry if you see a slightly different version of this checkout. It's still a valid one. It's just a different process. So I'm going to go back to this particular checkout style, and I'm going to say get started by creating an account, sign up. You'll see that same screen that we saw on this other page, and we can say continue with Google. I'm going to go ahead and continue with my particular email address, brittany@kermayam.pro. We'll be taken to this Stripe page where we can put in our details. Note that you're automatically going to be added to the 7-day free trial, and afterwards you'll be charged $12 for the entire year. Go ahead and enter in your card information. Let's just put in some fake data here, and then your expiry date and your CVC. Put in your name, your country or region, as well as your address, and then say Start Trial. After you click Start Trial, you'll be taken to this Success page, where it will confirm that you have successfully started your free trial of GoFullPage's premium plan. You can see that you're able to then join the newsletter to keep up with any product updates, and you can just say Submit here. You can also go back to the editor by clicking here. Or you can see your billing name, your email, which card you're using, and the total at the end of your trial. And you can cancel at any time from the account page. But if you continue to utilize this tool after the 7-day period, you'll be billed and receive an email receipt within 7 days. So that is how you start your free trial of GoFullPage Premium. And I hope you love this, and I'll see you in the next video.